What's up, beautiful people? Tony Slay here from Slay Pixels. Welcome to yet another amazing video. Yes guys, if you're new here, I'm a rapper, singer, cinematographer, songwriter, and music producer based in Germany. And in this channel I share a lot of filmmaking and music related content. If that sounds like something that you're into, make sure you smash the subscribe button and do all the other stuff that YouTubers tell you to do. Give this video a thumbs up, by the way. Please. Thank you. Anyways, in this video I'm gonna show you how to achieve the orange and teal look that is very popular and is really loved by a lot of directors. We see this in a lot of Hollywood films and a lot of music videos, and it always looks good. You can never go wrong with orange and teal. Over the years I've made a lot of music videos, documentary films, commercials and YouTube videos, and during this process I've been able to use a lot of cameras, a lot of different cameras, you understand what I'm saying? And I've also been able to shoot in different settings and different environments, and this has really helped me up my game when it comes to color grading. Color grading can really change your video, you understand what I'm saying? Over the years I've developed a lot of LUTs that I've been using in while color grading my videos. I have so many LUTs. I have more than 30 different LUTs, but I have two of my favorite because they work with all different cameras and you can really achieve a good look regardless of the camera that you're using if you apply these LUTs to your footage. So I'll be giving you guys these LUTs for free, and I'll also be showing you how you can use them in Premiere Pro. Just for the fact that I'm gonna give you this LUTs for free, give this video a thumbs up, by the way. If you haven't, just give this video a thumbs up. It won't cost you anything. Damn it. Anyways, let's jump into Premiere Pro and let me show you how you can use these LUTs. Well, so guys, right now we are here in Premiere Pro and I have a clip of Valentina here. Valentina is a model and a musician that we work with at the studio. Don't worry about the shot. It's not a good shot, by the way. Like, it's very jittery and shaky, but that's not what we are here for. We are here for the color grade. First things first, I'll add an adjustment layer. I used the Blackmagic 6K to shoot this. I shot it in 1080p ProRes. So this is a flat profile. I haven't added anything to this clip, like that's straight from the camera. Let me add one of the LUTs here. I'll go to browse here. Orange and teal. You can already see the change. You can definitely see the change, like from that to that. Like, that's a whole different change, but that's too much. It depends on which desktop you're using. Some desktops have a lot of contrast and a lot of saturation, but some don't have that. So it is very advisable, like after doing your color grade, you test it using different desktops and different screens. It's not a must for you to export and then start playing the video in different devices, but you can take screenshots and check on your phone how it looks on your TV, on your tablet, iPad, so that you just be sure that there is nothing that looks weird. Like, it looks good in all devices, and that's how all mix engineers also do with when it comes to music production. You listen to the song in different speakers, in your car, your phone, your headphone, to make sure it sounds the same in all of them. So yeah, I'm just rambling, but this is how the first LUT looks. I would prefer if you go down, like the opacity, you take it down to about 75 there. Like, it's not harsh, it's not that harsh anymore. You can see the difference. Like, that's 100%, that's 75%. Looks more natural and better. You can go ahead and do some other adjustments, like the curves. You can take down the shadows and just increase the highlights a little bit, you know, to make it pop. and there you have it. You have a nice look. You can play with it the way you want. You can, like, that's already orange and teal. You can decide, okay, maybe I want to make the hoodie pop up more, so you can come here and push it up a little bit. You take this pen tool here and then you just click on the hoodie and it will show you the point where that color is. Then you can boost it and take it up. Then it can make the hoodie pop up more, and the lipstick also. You can see the difference. That's before and that's after. You can play with all the other styles the way you want, according to your taste. Like, there are no rules in art. Let no one ever tell you there is a rule to this. There's no rule. There is something else here that is very helpful. This stuff, you should make sure like your colors are not peaking. Your skin tones should remain in this line. You can see, like, for example, here the color is going out because of the yellow, like it's going towards yellow. You can fix, of course, like this is just an example, but that's according to me. You can try it by yourself because I'm giving you it for free. You can always try and see how it looks for you, but otherwise for me this one looks amazing. The shot is not good, but you can see how it transformed this like boom. You understand what I'm saying? That's dope. That already looks professional. Let's go to the next one. So over here I have another shot of Valentina again. It's not the same as this one, you understand? It's like they're not the same completely. I have another lot for such a set. Of course you can use this one too here if you want, but I don't find it amazing for my taste. But it's all a taste thing, you know. Art is subjective. It depends on you. What do you find cool? So in this shot I'm gonna drop another lot, which is this one. Yeah, and you can see how it changes everything. It changes the dynamic of everything. Like, you see the difference? Looks natural, looks so good. Like, she pops. Everything is amazing. I don't even need to do any more adjustments. But again, like, this is a test thing. It's not a must for you to do this, but I just like to crush the shadows a little bit so that they look black, and then raise the highlights a little bit. Like, this shot is not so good because you can see in her face, like, she's shining. She has oily skin. I forgot to tell her to wear makeup before we shot this, and that's my problem. Like, that's my error. But all in all, this looks good. And I will also reduce the opacity because it's too much. I'll reduce the opacity a little bit to about 75 also, 75, 74. Look at that. That looks so good, so natural. The black background looks black, the white wall looks white, and that's one of the ways to know that your color grade is, you've nailed it. And you can see her skin looks amazing. And this is also another form of orange and teal. So you can see how the curves change everything. You see, like, she pops up even more because the background becomes darker. It all depends on you. What do you find cool and what works for you? So guys, that was it for me in this video. Tell me in the comment section below what you think about these LUTs. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can download them for free. Just give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing. It will help me also get motivated to give you more freebies. I have a lot of LUTs that I can give you. I have LUTs according to cameras. I have LUTs for Sony, I have LUTs for Canon, I have LUTs for Panasonic, I have LUTs for Red, I have LUTs for Blackmagic. So if you guys motivate me to continue making these videos, you never know, I'm gonna give you a lot of LUTs for free, and you can change the looks of your videos. In the coming days, I might be giving more and more and more and more free stuff to you guys, so that we all continue growing together and we continue making films. Otherwise, I don't have much more to say. Download the LUTs, keep filming, enjoy your day, enjoy your time, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm out. Blessings.
Yeah, dig. How you dig? Yeah, dig. How you dig? Yeah, dig.
Everybody gotta up their league. Hey you dig? Yeah I dig. Hey you dig? Hey I dig. Hey you dig? Yeah I dig. Sometimes I wanna roll with my chicks on ball with my G's on feel alright. Sometimes I wanna chill in my crib and work on my dream and grind all night.